earlier today, hey Mox, I made a little felt bird. Or I started making one. Hey Edie. And I put it down for half a second, and that happened. She has been kicking at it and dragging it around and loving all over it and rubbing all over it. And now that I have the camera on and I'm talking, she doesn't. There she goes. But apparently it's now a cat toy. So I don't know what combination of, like, what the particular wool was that she's apparently loving all over in this thing. Probably the Shetland on the end there, if I had to take a guess. But yeah, I might make a few more.